welcome to a new video. Today we're restoring this closet for the bedroom. It's gonna be quite a work. As you see, the bottom is rotten. Has nails everywhere.
They just come off really, like...
They break. This closet was originally designed without nails, and they just, you know, punched tons of nails to try to keep this from breaking apart.
This is just gonna get destroyed.
This is the hardest part to fix because I need to cut it up and replace it. So I don't know how that's gonna work, but
the inside is pretty perfect.
the inside is good. The surrounding is good.
The top is good.
This is good. It's it's made like nice and circly. Has nice little wood hooks, which is quite rare to see nowadays. Wood hooks.
Yeah, it goes like that.
Yeah, it's
for
sideways now, but yeah, we just have to get started. There's nothing else to do.
Okay, let's go.
Right now we're doing the bottom of the closet, trying to make it as even as possible.
This is not gonna be the visible side, just...
No, this is the bottom side. But it's not the easiest with this old closet. It's not straight. It's not very good. I didn't cut it that good either.
temperatura.
Which way? To the door. Oh, this way? Oh, what is this?
Ready? Yes.
Up. Oh, should I step?
More that way. Yeah, we're on the edge. That's smart. Lift it, George. Lift it. Go, Birgit, go.
I'm holding it.
Here we are. Wait. Why would they not have them? Ah. Here. Let's. Can you? Of course. Pray to the wheels that don't break. Let it down. Oh, the wheel broke, right? It's a bit on their limit, I think. It's a bit heavy to push, so it's not. No? No.